We are currently seeing this new issue becoming a trending thing. And Brian, you just ran across it. Can you?
Yeah. So insurance companies are starting to really crack down, specifically in Minnesota, on the age of a roof. So any roof over the age of 15, to 20 years is now becoming really difficult to get insurance. So I think for buyers and sellers to understand during your inspection period is to figure out that detail before you get past that. Sellers know that this may be something that comes up a little bit more during inspection periods, and to be able to problem solve, be able to get all the way through. But they're really starting to kind of crack down on those ages of roofs. So I think being hyper focused on that, making sure that that's brought to attention of everybody to be able to get through the process.
What were a couple strategies, or what were the conversations with the buyer? What have you guys done to get past the issue?
Yeah, so it was looking at multiple insurance companies, just being on the phone with 5, 6 different insurance agents, of going, what options do we have? What can we do? Talking with roofing contractors to go, what is the cost of replacement of something like this? So we know what we're getting ourselves into. How can we get to the closing table with this situation actually happening if we have to run into that, right? And also being 100% transparent with the buyers of having that conversation to go, this may be something that needs to be addressed sooner rather than later, right? And I think it's our job as real estate agents is to really help our buyers understand, one, not only how we get through the process to get to the closing table, to get them that new house, but also what they can expect in the years to come and what they have to prepare for and what they need to understand.
Educate, strategize, and help them plan for things they may not understand.
And number one, protect and problem solve. That's what our job is here to do, is to advocate for our clients and help them understand where they're at in this process or situation and what risks we do have coming up and how we mitigate those as much as possible. So roofs are becoming one of those really contentious kind of points right now. So
something nobody thinks about, if, hey, roof is 15, 20 years old, but it still looks good. We have, probably it's a 30-year shingle. So we probably have 10, maybe a few more years after that left of life. But insurance companies are kind of saying,
which also, is the really the tough part on that is the fact when it goes to, we have a roof that isn't creating issues, isn't a problem. Why are we forced to replace it for an insurance company, right? I think that's in every seller's mind. We run into that all the time. Think about furnaces, right?
Water heaters.
Right? You have an older one and the seller goes, well, why am I replacing this?
It still works.
It still works. There's no reason really for me to, right? I think that understanding that that's going to be a more important thing to 100% keep an eye on.
Yes.
Problem solve, and to be able to understand, to be able to make it through to closing, and also for the buyers to be able to get past that point, what that might entail.
And good, the buyers reached out to insurance company earlier, because some buyers are like, week before closing, oh, we still need to get insurance and still trying to solve this problem. And now all of a sudden you're a week prior to closing and having to call multiple insurance agents, and also maybe we got to replace this roof because we can't get insurance or whatever it may be. So good for them and you guys to be able to get ahead of the game and contact the insurance company early.
For sure.